Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. So let's flip the thing over and you will find this little cutout right here. All you need to do is just prop it up. Thing will come off. As you can see, it's still attached, so don't worry. And in here you have this tray. So using your fingernail, just grab it and yank it out. Now, the tray has space for only SD card, even though it looks like it could take a SIM card. As you'll see, if you try to place one in, the tray is just too narrow. So this is only an SD tray. Now I assume there might be a version of this tablet where it does have a SIM card support as well, but this one does not. Anyway, once you place your card on the tray like so, you want to keep it this way, so you will need to flip the tablet over because the card just falls out if you flip it over. And when we have our tablet with this thing visible right here, so the tablet is flipped over, the card needs to be turned like this. So I just prefer to turn the tablet over. There we go. Oh. Come on. There we go. Let's push it all the way in. As you can see, it's now fully in. And to light up the tablet, it should give us a pop-up that it has detected some kind of SD card. So let's see if there is one. There we go. So as you can see, the SD card is working fine. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.